This is City Park. Hi Somil.
Hi.
Somil will show us his house today and give us a tour of City Park. Interesting. Where do you stay, bro?
Huh?
Okay, so देख लो पिन कोड, ठीक है, ध्यान रखना. So was it the access code or your flat number?
It's the scanner, so you cannot come in without that.
So how do you get people inside? You have to come down, whatever
I
happens.
have to come down.
So we have a good security.
Kind of. It's a two-level security. First one that and the access code for that is.
Okay, to even bring the lift, we need the access code.
Yes.
So guys, you only have second access, but for first, it is safe, right? So many
Yes,
people
it's
are
quite
asking
safe.
if it's safe or not.
It's quite safe.
So he's right now in 215. With a 2 BHK or
It's a 2B.
2B. So can you take us through, bro? This is your room, right?
Yeah. It's a bit
Hey
messy.
man, alright, chill. Easily two people can stay, right?
Yeah. Two people.
Two
with
people
two
can-
tables. It's fine.
Oh, perfect. So you have both the tables inside.
Yeah. Right now we have done a L table,
Mhm.
but on the other room they have two separate tables altogether.
Okay, and you have a great balcony view also.
Yeah, you can go in and show it.
But chop the pencil. Pakka?
Huh?
इस सूर्य से व्यू तो अच्छा मिलता है यार. The biggest problem in my flat is I don't have access to windows. I mean, window के सामने building है, तो sunrise तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है.
Okay.
So like I'm dying for
This is
sunrise.
a common bathroom.
Okay, this-
Basically, the people who are staying here use this one.
Okay, so we have a common bathroom over here, and one is attached and one is common.
One is a master bathroom.
ठीक है, बाथरूम तो क्या ही देखना है. देखना है तो बता देना comments में. And this is your.
This is hall with a gallery.
Hey, wow. And this is a good one. किसका है?
Richard.
Richard. Richard, okay.
Plays piano.
So भाई jamming होती है इधर मस्त वाली.
Quite a lot. जब उसका assignments now.
Assignments नहीं होते, correct. So this is, I think, the back side, right?
Yeah, this is back side.
This is the back side. So if you are taking a flat over here, I think everybody will have a balcony, right? Her flat, I can see there's a
flat
balcony.
make balcony.
Sunset or
Yes,
sunrise,
yeah.
either of them.
I guess rise उधर से होता है, but
अच्छा.
kind of it's slant. तो exact
दोनों.
sunrise और sunset दोनों में से
समथिंग इज बेटर ना भाई, हम तो अंधेरे में रहते हैं, लिटरली अंधेरे में रहते हैं. हाय. So, Somil, what's the rent and what is included, what is not included?
So from this wall, for 2B the rent would be 2600 and for 3B it's 3200.
Okay.
And all the amenities are included other than electricity. That is the only thing that is extra that we have to pay. And the laundry is in common, but it's cheaper than other things. So than other places.
Okay.
So altogether, it's a good place to stay.
How much is your electricity bill? Approximate.
Approximately, it's
Per person, अगर if we talk about per person.
Per person, it would be not more than $30.
25, 30.
For 2 months.
For 2 months.
Yeah,
Correct.
$30.
So $15-16 worst case.
Yeah, worst case,
Worst case.
$20 for a month, depending on how much you use.
हाँ, वो तो obviously अगर दिन भर AC ऑन करोगे तो पे करना पड़ेगा. And what about hate crimes and any issues? No, right?
No, nothing, no issues as such. So there are 2 levels of security. So anyway, such like robbery or anything is not even in scenarios here.
Not even close, right?
No.
That to pakka. So, by see a person staying here, and are you continuing for the next
Yeah, we're
term?
continuing for the next 1 year.
See,
Yeah,
live
we have
example.
signed the lease.
Live example, if he came here, he's staying for 6 months and he's continuing. So definitely it's a very good place. अगर किसी को लेना है यहाँ पर फ्लैट, so what's the best way?
Best way is to you can contact us and we can give you the details and stuff and work out with the manager and stuff. So Kevin works out a lot with the manager, so he has a good rapport with the manager.
Perfect.
You can ask him for anything and.
So I'll give his. I mean, many people are asking to me personally to give some contact. So I'll give his LinkedIn. Are you active on LinkedIn or Instagram?
Anything.
Anything. So I'll give his contact details.
Yeah.
Just ping him and get a referral. Make sure to use his referral. भाई घर दिखाया है अच्छा खासा.
Yes, दे दो भाई referral important है.
चलो. Thank you so much.